keep hearing this fact from many people in IT that cybersecurity is biggest market right now and it's only going to boom. But how many people are getting supplied? Many people are getting supplied, but there is an imbalance between the supply and demand. So in this video, I'm going to talk about top cybersecurity certifications and my picks in order for you to land a job in cybersecurity and kickstart your career in cybersecurity. So let's get started. So the very first certifications that you will and you should do is CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker. This is the most basic course that you can do that will build the very fundamentals of you understanding how attacks work, how to find issues in hacking a system. This is the bare minimum that everyone should do in order to get started, to get to know what this field looks like. The second cert is CompTIA Security Plus. I know CEH is very popular in India, but if you talk about all around the world, CompTIA has done really good job in establishing a foothold in this industry. The third one is GSEC or GIAC Certified Security Engineer. GSEC is one of the best selling certifications GIAC has to offer. It will teach you active defense techniques, network security, cloud security, incident response, forensics. So it is one of the best certifications for blue teaming. And don't forget to enroll into Simplilearn's postgraduate program in cybersecurity that will give you industry guidance, skills, and also certifications at the same time.